Hello everyone, my name's Robert Miles. I run a YouTube channel about AI safety, and I wanted to talk to you today about Stampy, the AI safety bot. This is a project that I'm running using my YouTube channel and the associated Discord server. So what Stampy is a bot that lives on the Discord server for the YouTube channel. And the way it works is, people make comments on the YouTube videos which are asking questions about AI safety. Stampy is watching those comments through the YouTube API, and when it sees questions, it pulls them and adds them to a queue, which are then posted onto the Discord server. And these provide topics of conversation, effectively. The question comes in, and then we on the Discord will discuss, what we think the answer to this question might be. And when we reach a consensus on a good answer, someone will write that answer up and say to Stampy, hey, post this, and Stampy then will take that answer to the question and post it back to YouTube as a reply to the original comment. This is really nice because firstly, it provides good quality answers to questions on my YouTube channel, but secondly, it provides good topics of AI safety related conversation for the Discord. As of recently, there's also a wiki which is using the same database, which means that all of the questions and answers are there as wiki pages, which provides a nice interface for handling these questions and processing them. Stampy is also responsible for the karma system on the Discord. We don't want just any random person on the Discord to be able to unilaterally reply to questions on my YouTube channel. So there's a karma system. The way it works is somebody will propose a reply to a question, and then it has to get a certain number of stamps, which is just people giving it the stamp react on Discord. And the strength of a stamp react is proportional to the number of stamp reacts that users' comments have gotten over the history of the Discord. So you get stamps for writing replies which people who have a lot of stamps think are good. So it becomes a measure of knowing what you're talking about according to the people who the system thinks know what they're talking about. And the way this is done is actually the bot just keeps track of all of those reacts throughout the whole history of the Discord, builds up a big matrix, like an n by n matrix, where n is the number of users in the system, that sort of represents a system of linear equations, and then it just solves that with NumPy to get everyone their scores. I honestly didn't expect this system to work quite as well as it does. But yeah, it works. So what I'm actually trying to achieve with this is a bunch of different things. Firstly, I'm trying to sort of build an extensive high-quality FAQ about AI safety. The idea is that over time, we'll build up a large collection of questions and a large collection of high-quality answers, and we'll also be able to process it in such a way that sort of similar questions are able to be linked together. Part of how we hope to do this is to use OpenAI's language processing API. And the other thing that we can do with that is have Stampy really be a natural language interface to this database of questions. You can just go onto the Discord and talk to Stampy and get replies to your questions there, perhaps. This is something that we're working on. Another major goal is to kind of grow the AI safety community by providing legitimate peripheral participation, things that newcomers can do which are useful but don't require a lot of pre-existing skill, and allow a person to sort of learn and grow and level up. I think that we're kind of short on these things at the very low end. But the idea is that a relative newcomer can still productively answer the questions of a total newcomer, and so on. That as you learn more, you can answer more and more difficult questions and develop that way. And finally, of course, we're going to be gathering a lot of data about the kinds of questions that people have and good answers to those questions. So why we're talking to you today is we're looking for various different kinds of help with this project. The first and most obvious one is we want to hear what questions you have and what feedback and suggestions, and just kind of get your ideas about our plans for this project and where we might want to go with it. We're looking for people to join us in sort of writing good questions, answering questions, organizing and sorting them, and so on. So there's going to be a link at the end of this so that you're invited to join the Discord if you like. We're also interested to hear what are the most common AI safety questions people come to you with from your, friends, family, whatever. Another way to help is the project is all on GitHub. We have a bunch of developers working on it now, working to sort of expand it out and improve it. And if that sounds fun to you, it's basically all in Python, apart from the wiki side, which is, I guess, PHP. It's Semantic Media Wiki on the back end, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun actually working together to develop this project. We're also interested in being introduced to anyone who you think might help or might be interested in this project. And of course, other things that we haven't thought of. So yeah, I don't know exactly how this is going to work, like where the questions should end up, maybe in the chat or in a call or what. But yeah, hit us with your questions. Thanks.